Welcome to Real Estate Ramblings with Robyn and Sean.
So today on Truck Talk, we're going to talk about an important topic to think about, especially for new homeowners who have maybe recently purchased a home in the past year and has an irrigation system and you're not familiar with an irrigation system, what you might want to be doing as you're getting into the fall and the winter.
It's really important that you consider irrigation blowing out your system, because if you don't, you could face some serious challenges next spring when you decide that you want to water your lawn.
So understanding that if you don't do a proper winterization of your system, what can happen is you can have water that's still left in the lines, it can freeze, it can pop valve heads, lines in and of themselves, and when you go into the springtime and you then turn on your irrigation system, there can be water leaks, it can be very expensive because you can have water running without even knowing that you're creating more damage. So really the goal is to properly winterize your system as you're coming into the winter season, and then that way coming into springtime, you're properly set up, your system's functioning correctly, there's no loss of time, no wasted expenditure on having to have a company maybe come out and dig your yard up to replace some damaged pipes and heads. So
if you need to, if you don't sure how to do it yourself and you don't have the proper tools, just give us a call. We can get you in touch with the proper professionals. And we get plenty of people on that we know that we can get you some information on so that you can get those systems ready for winter. This is a very important thing that you need to do, especially if you have a new irrigation system to you and you're not sure how to do it.
So reach out, give us a call if you need a hand. We're here to help with anything you might need with your irrigation and anything real estate related. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. We appreciate it.
Have a great day.
Take care.